So trivia, lahat ng mga songs na ginawa at binigay sa akin sa The Voice ay hindi ko choice. And that was really nerve-wracking kasi every time I do rounds, sinasabi ko sa utak ko, mukhang tatanggalin ako. It's so hard because if you compete with a competition, you really wanted to sing that song, you really wanted to sing a song that you're very comfortable. So yung mga kasama ko doon, nagbubunyi na sila, yes, akong favorite song. Samantalang ako na, Diyos ko, kwarto, sipag tuon, Lord, tabangi ang taon ko. I need to memorize, I need to do the arrangement. But praise God, I pulled through. And this is very timely that I did my first concert in Cebu. Because every time I sing, Manampid ko po Senyor Santo Niño, Senyor Santo Niño, kapangin ko. Maluwi ka. And now, the next song that I'll be singing is the song that I only love. Nautakan sa nako sila ba, abing nag-atik-atik na kuha mo ko kayo bawana. But this song is, we all hear this song every time sa radio ba, lagi ni sa Lucha. Do you know the song? So if you know the song, please.